We are Stima Sacco, a true reflection of you.
Now, figures from the Ministry of Health in Kenya show that you are more likely to contract COVID-19 in the cities of Nairobi and Mombasa than other parts of the country. This, as the Ministry of Health says, you are on your own if you attend political meetings convened by political leaders. Meanwhile, Kenya recorded 120 new COVID-19 infections, driving the total number to 6,190.
As the COVID-19 pandemic marches on across Kenya, the Ministry of Health says you are more than 5 times likely to contract it in Mombasa than any other part of Kenya. And in Nairobi, the chances rise to more than 10 times the national risk.
These same counties have the highest attack rates of COVID-19 at 119.6 and 68.9 per 100,000 population respectively.
In the last 24 hours, 2,221 samples tested in Kenya have resulted in 120 new infections.
Nairobi has 67, Mombasa 17, Kajiado 9, Machakos 9.
Kenyans have also been asking if and whether containment measures against COVID-19 will be lifted. Devolution Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa thinks the matter demands a lot of caution.
Ikiwa ya kwamba Nairobi ndio ina idadi ya juu zaidi ya virusi hivi na tufungue Nairobi, usambazaji wa virusi utaingia kwenye hizi counties.
The Council of Governors Chair and Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya says counties will beat the July 10th deadline for 300-bed COVID-19 isolation facilities. However, one of his meetings in Kakamega drew crowds and raised eyebrows on COVID-19 containment measures.
We had masks, which we also distributed to them so that they can take home. It happened that the CS here had also another function in Kakamega where he was launching the renovation and rehabilitation of Kakamega airstrip.
The Ministry of Health, on the other hand, says you are on your own should you attend rallies and gatherings during these hard times.
Whether you are going to follow them in their gatherings is upon you. We've told you again and again, the person standing next to you could as well be positive.
Kenyans are counting days to President Kenyatta's address on the way forward on COVID-19 measures. It is still unclear whether the projected COVID-19 pandemic peak will materialize in Kenya around August or not, but as government says, observing COVID-19 prevention measures remains a matter of personal responsibility. Mark